Okay, gonna do a quick review on Save-Lots Marcum beef stew seasoning mix. You can buy this at they put in Save-Lots store. They usually run, I think, 39-50 cents a piece. They're usually pretty cheap. Save-Lot, if you're not familiar with Save-Lot, they have a 100% guarantee on their products. If you're not happy with it, they're giving you money back. Just take the product back and have your receipt with you. I've been buying groceries here for, I know, at least 10 years. I've never personally had to take anything back, or stuff back for a refund. It's pretty easy to cook. I'm planning on having beef stew later on tonight. I'm only one here. I'm just fixing a little pot of beef stew tonight. Got everything I need to fix it with. All you gotta do is just put all your ingredients in your pan. Take this in and just mix it in with your food. And cook it like you normally cook your beef stew. I usually end up adding some bay leaves and pepper, a few other seasonings with this to go with the beef stew. They add more flavor to it. But it's still it's pretty good little package of seasoning mix if you're making you're fixing a pot of beef stew for your family. This is big enough for about 2 pounds of meat, 2 pounds of beef stew meat, and whatever vegetables you want to add. Whatever vegetables you want to add to your beef stew. I know different people have different things they like cooking in the beef stews and ingredients and everything. This is the Save-Lots Marcum beef stew mix. All you gotta do is add it to your beef stew. Like I said, I'm planning on cooking beef stew tonight, and I'll be using this. I'll be using it many times when I've cooked beef stew.